Here's what we're doing. We have AP Eric over here. He is going to perform his first attempt of a live water lane change out. Patient, wait. What's the game plan?
So, cut, grab, point, ring, fitting, press. Done.
All right, I'd cut it farther in the middle where you can have more room to play with it. I'd cut it right in the middle. Yep. Alrighty.
Oh, dude. I'm scared, dude. The cutters! They're failing!
Yep, good. Put the ball down on there. Other way, flip it.
Let it go! Get it out of the water! Dude.
Let it off. Put a crimp ring on it. Crimp it up.
No, we gotta get the new one in.
Nah, it's 3/4. You just use that other text that's on the other side. Nice. Good job.